Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to easily use assembly codes in Marvel Rivals. Alright, let's begin. First, launch Marvel Rivals on your personal computer or mobile device and log into your account. Next, click the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the settings menu. Once there, navigate to the community tab where you will find options for in-game events and promotions. Now, under the Hero Assembly Events section, look for the field to enter your assembly code. Click on the field, then type in or paste your unique code. After entering the code, click the Redeem or Submit button. If your code is valid, a confirmation message will appear along with the rewards you have unlocked. Finally, head over to your inventory or rewards section to find and use the items or bonuses you received. Keep in mind that assembly codes are often time limited, so be sure to redeem them before they expire. Also, check the official Marvel Rivals announcements regularly for new codes and promotional events. So that's basically how you can easily use assembly codes in Marvel Rivals. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.